This is Lorenzo from Strada, and I'm showing you this vacant studio apartment available for sale in 8 Boulevard Walk. So to the left from entry, we have plenty of built-in wardrobe space with really good sized bathroom. Leading on into the fully equipped kitchen, all appliances included, with the open plan breakfast bar. Really good sized living and bedroom area for a studio, and these floor to ceiling windows the whole way across the apartment, which overlook Business Bay. Really bright apartment. You will get sunlight throughout the whole day and is available to move in immediately. If you'd like to view, please contact me in the details below.